for charging the battery.
Right.
So let's see.
I can imagine you've done this so many times.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I'm just like, when I do my hair, I part it into like fours. Then I part the fours. Yeah. Then I'll twist it.
I got a different method.
Ooh.
But I have done the fours before.
Okay.
I like the fours.
However,
Sometimes when I'm doing it, when I get my rhythm is a little different than the four. So I might do like 3.
oh, interesting.
What are your goals?
So my goal is to be able to get my portfolio and then to be able to reach out to some more people, possibly get back into shows, and to be able to rebuild my following, to be able to have like a network of people that I can create with, and as well as to collaborate with, to go out and travel, make more of a name for myself, and have that retained.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Great goals to have.
Yeah. Thank you.
I want to do a mansion fashion show.
Ooh.
Interesting.
Oh, like there's mansions in Atlanta? Of course there's mansions in Atlanta. Oh. Do you know the theme that you would want to do?
I got several things that I wrote down.
Okay.
Um,
Nice.
One of the things that I wrote down was Black Rose.
Oh, I like that.
Most of the models are going to be our nationality.
Okay. Love that.
So the Black Rose concept thing would be fitting. Because a lot of us were told different things that we wouldn't be.
Right.
And a black rose is something that busts out the concrete to grow
That's
in urban
actually
environments.
interesting.
You know, you don't really see too many black roses. You see red roses.
Right.
But the black rose is like the black sheep.
Everybody shuns them until they show up.
And then when they show up, it's like a ugly beautiful. You know what I'm saying? Like, you're not supposed to be here, but how did you make it through all this thick concrete? Like, your roots are so deep. Like, nothing can stop you from growing.
Right.
And the concept behind that is returning back to your roots. Because life has a way of programming you outside of what your roots are, and your roots help connect you back to who you are. When you get back to your roots, your ancestors is your roots.
I talk to them on a daily.
You
There's
know?
one I'm like always talking to. He's troubled. He's on my dad's side. He's my grandfather. And so he'll recommend things. He'll try to help me, but his soul is troubled. So I'm like, no, I go the other way. And then like it ends up being exactly how I foresee it. And then he'll be like, huh. But then his cycle starts over again. So like he hasn't really learned.
Well, even though he hasn't learned,
He sees it. So
he probably has a way of helping you do the things that he has learned.
yeah, like showing me what I shouldn't do. So I take it into consideration, and I don't do that.
It's good you see him too.
Hmm?
Do you see him or do you feel him?
feel. There's like a whole congregation of them. Sometimes I'll see thousands. Sometimes I'll see the 4. Sometimes I'll see the 1. Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Oh yeah.
I can feel mine.
Ooh.
When I'm doing physical things, they help me.
Okay.
Especially when protecting.
Okay. Nice.
It kind of helped me with my reflexes. My reflexes are very alert, and they give me insight on what to do.
Okay. That's good. Oh my God, the smell of hair products.
But that's part of leadership,
Yeah. Takes a lot to be a leader. Takes a lot to hear the ancestors when they're telling you, okay, you got